What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy AKT, Akash Network, on Coinbase. So for the first step we will log into our account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at the home page. We will click on the buy and sell option. You got three options right on top, but we will click on the buy and sell button. Click on it and the purchasing overview will be opened. After that you can select the purchase frequency. For now I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but you've got different options to select, like a daily option, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. For the next thing, we will add the amount of fiat we would like to use for this purchase. So I'm using €2 and we will select the coin we would like to buy. It's AKT, Akash Network, select it, and after that it is selected to buy. So for the next step we need to select our wallet we would like to use for the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet, as you can see, but if you live in another country or region, then you can simply select the currency or wallet you would like to use. If you don't see any options, you need to first add a payment method by clicking on this button below. After that it will be added to this list and you can select it. For the next step we click on review order and some information about this purchase will be shown. As you can see, I'm buying 0.3 coins and the amount we are spending is €1.01 on these coins. The Coinbase fee will be 99 euro cents and the total amount we are spending is €2. We can select the invest weekly option down below here by clicking on this button, and the amount we are spending at this moment will be repeatedly bought at the same moment every week. You can cancel it anytime, and if you decided to buy it now, just click on buy now and the coins will be added to our wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this video was very helpful and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.